my name is Julia and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this no makeup look using a few products from my fall FabFitFun box. This look is perfect for those days where you want to look put together but you don't want to spend so much time getting ready. So if you want to find out how I created this, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first step of any makeup routine for me is always to moisturize my skin. So today I'm going to be using the Ren moisturizer that came in my FabFitFun box. It's good for all skin types, just helps keep my skin feeling smooth and everything absorb better when I actually put my makeup on. And it smells really good too. And then the second step is going to be the Professional. I love Benefit, so I was super excited when I got this. And this one is also a part of that pre-makeup routine of just making sure everything blends smoothly. This also has mattifying effect and it helps minimize the appearance of your pores. And I probably use just a dime size quantity. And now let's get started with the actual makeup. So for foundation, I'm actually gonna do, oh my god. I'm actually gonna do BB cream. I like the more natural look. I don't like a full coverage. And then I'm going to be applying it with the Makeup Drop blending sponge. And then since this doesn't give me a full coverage, like I said, I'm gonna be using a little bit of concealer just in the places that I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. So I usually just do my under eyes. And then if there are any blemishes or redness I want to address, I would do those as well. And I'm gonna go back with the same blending sponge. And now the next step is going to be bronzer. So for bronzer, I used to do that like shape face that most people do for bronzer, but I actually found out that for my specific face shape, it works better to go a little bit higher, exactly where my cheekbone ends. So I just kind of like feel for my cheekbone and then start right there. That just helps it look more natural. A little bit contouring around the face, a little bit on the jawline, and a little bit around the nose. I'm just gonna use a larger brush to blend that in a little more. Okay, now it's time for blush. I do the same kind of shape, start it on the outside of my face and bring it inside. Do a little bit on the nose as well, just to give that year-round sun-kissed look that we all love. I guess that's it for the skin. And then now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So one trick that I love for that no makeup look is just using all of your skin products, your bronzer, your blush, your highlighter, everything on your eyes as well. Just helps everything blend in more seamlessly, looks more natural, and it's perfect because it's two products in one, right? I'm gonna be using the same bronzer that I used and just apply that to my crease. And then what I like to do as well is I just press the brush that I'm using like that so it's thin, and I use it to apply it under my eyes as well. And then I actually forgot to put highlighter on, so I'm gonna be using this Becca highlighter, and I will use it both as a highlighter and as an eyeshadow. A little bit on the nose, a little bit on the Cupid's bow, and then I do the inner corners of my eyes. The next step is actually my favorite step, and that is the eyebrows. I think that's what makes all of the difference. If you have perfect, sharp brows, there's nothing else you need. So I just start by brushing them up so I can see exactly what areas need more filling. And then I go in and lightly fill them. It's crazy the difference that brows make. I already feel like a different person. And now we're gonna go to mascara. So I'm going to be using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I like this one because it has a good lengthening effect. I have very short lashes. They're full, but they're short to the point where I've been asked if I cut them. I'm always looking for good mascaras that lengthen them. And then I just do a very light coat on my bottom lashes. Last but not least is the lips. I like this color because it's a neutral, but it's also like a nice fall color. It does have a pop to it. And that is the finished look. Now I'm ready to conquer all of my fall adventures. Make sure to subscribe and to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Wait, sorry, my hand is trembling from like holding it up. Alright guys, this is good. Okay.
Did we get it, Vanessa?